Immerse yourself in the fascinating story of corn, a grain that shaped civilizations. Born in the heart of Mesoamerica, corn, also known as maize, was more than just a plant for the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. It was a gift from the gods, a symbol of life and prosperity, and a staple that nourished their societies. The Mayans revered corn, weaving its golden strands into their mythology, their art, and their daily life. To the Aztecs, corn was the essence of human existence, used not only in their meals but also in their religious ceremonies, as they believed it was bestowed upon them by their gods. But the influence of this golden grain didn't stop there. Its cultivation fueled the development of these societies, shaping their agriculture, their trade, and their way of life. Corn was, without a doubt, the golden grain of the ancients, a symbol of life and prosperity. From this golden grain of the past, let us now unravel the health secrets it holds. Did you know that corn has been a remedy for various health complications since ancient times? Indeed, this golden grain has been a cherished source of healing throughout history. Let's take a journey back in time to explore its historical health benefits. First, we turn to the ancient cultures. Corn was a staple in their diets, and it doubled as a remedy for kidney problems, hypertension, and digestive issues. They understood that corn, rich in fiber and nutrients, could alleviate these health complications. Next, let's journey to the lands of the Native Americans. They revered corn not only as a food source, but also as a way to maintain heart health. Corn, with its high levels of potassium, became an essential part of their medicinal practices. And we can't forget about traditional Chinese medicine. Here, corn silk was used to treat a myriad of health issues, from urinary infections to water retention, showcasing the versatility of this golden grain. The ancients were onto something, but what does modern science say about corn? Fast forward to today, corn continues to shine in the spotlight of health and nutrition. As we delve into the realm of modern health sciences, corn's myriad benefits continue to impress us. Let's unpack some of these wonderful benefits, shall we? First off, corn is brimming with dietary fiber. This not-so-humble grain serves as a natural broom for our digestive system, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It's no surprise that a diet rich in corn can help keep your digestive system humming along smoothly. Now let's talk about our eyes. Did you know that corn is a rich source of the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin? These two antioxidants are known to promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. So it's not just carrots that keep your eyes in check, corn does too. Moving on, corn is a veritable treasure trove of essential minerals. It boasts high levels of zinc, magnesium, copper, iron, and manganese. These minerals play crucial roles in numerous biological functions, including immune response, heart rate regulation, and bone strength. But wait, there's more. Corn's low glycemic index makes it an ideal food for managing diabetes. It slowly releases sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Moreover, the heart-friendly attributes of corn are worth noting. Its fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and lutein content all contribute to heart health. Regular consumption of corn can help reduce the risk of heart ailments and lower hypertension. And let's not forget about the role of corn in weight management. Being high in dietary fiber and low in calories, corn can make you feel full for longer periods, thereby aiding in weight loss. So, as we can see, corn is not just a delicious staple food. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that contribute to our overall well-being. Whether it's boosting your digestive health, protecting your eyes, managing diabetes, or keeping your heart healthy, corn has got you covered. The golden grain of the ancients holds up to its glory even in the 21st century. Inspired by the healing wonders of corn? There's more where that came from. You see, incorporating corn into your daily diet can be a game changer. It's not just about relishing its sweet, crunchy goodness. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle, full of nutrients that can fuel your body and mind. And the best part? It's all natural. Straight from Mother Earth's pantry to your plate. But don't just take our word for it. Try it yourself. Add corn to your salads, your soups, or simply enjoy it grilled on a warm summer day. Discover its healing wonders in your own unique way. And while you're at it, why not join our community? Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and share it with others. Let the healing wonders of corn reach every corner of the world. Stay tuned for our next video on the healing wonders of baking soda. Until then, keep exploring the power of nature in your kitchen.